Yo, we got dad gets son's girlfriend pregnant. Must see ending. He's gonna kill his dad. And his wife and the baby.
This child in my hands is not only my much younger brother, but also my uncle and my love child. This is the story of how that happened.
Like, he looking mad as shit. Looking at photos of her dead boyfriend. Wait. How an uncle? Wait. Oh, wait. Yeah, how is it his uncle? That would be, wait. Wait, hold on. Wait. Wait. No, it would be his uncle. It would be his uncle. It would be his uncle. Wait. Okay, if you're... So, wait. Wait. No, it would be your brother.
Hank, oh my god.
Wait, no, he did say that. He said it would be his brother. He did say that.
After I escaped the prisoner camps, I was living off of dew I found off leaves and my fingernails.
Oh my god.
Finally, the flares I had set off got noticed, and they sent a chopper, picked me up, and I came straight here after I was dismissed of all duties.
I still can't believe it. You were missing for months, and they all told us you were dead. Your parents didn't take it so well.
Yeah, I figured so. I haven't told anyone I was here yet. You're the first person I came to see.
I'm so shocked. I was just looking at our photos on my phone before you knocked. There hasn't been a second that came by that I haven't missed you, Hank. Oh, Hank, that was amazing.
What the fuck?
Thank you so much. Oh, that's gonna be perfect now that you're back.
I agree.
Mel, come back soon. We need a thumbnail. Wait, did she have pregnant sex? Did they have pregnant sex? He's gonna propose? Oh no.
You ready, babe? Excited for the big family celebration?
Yes,
What's wrong?
it's your dad.
Oh, wow. Yeah, still uncomfortable with what he did a few years ago.
Wait, what did he do?
No, it's not that.
When he's old, he says those perv jokes.
It's more than just a perv joke, but it's not that.
Yeah, you're right. Sorry. You know, he didn't share everything with his dad, especially not women. And I don't really believe in that.
I know, Hank, but it's not that.
Oh, sorry. What is it then?
I'm pregnant.
What? Wait, no! Oh! What? But so soon, I mean...
W acting, bro. He's the best actor I've ever seen in my life.
Yeah, that's the thing.
What do you mean?
I'm 6 weeks pregnant, Hank.
6 weeks? How? I've only been back a week. Are you saying... Oh, no.
Oh damn.
Oh, no, Betty. You've been with someone else? I know you thought I was dead, so I understand. But I was only gone a couple months. Were you even mourning? Oh, and pregnant, jeez! Was that by accident?
I'd be mad too.
All right, Betty. It's okay, Betty.
No, it's not.
But who is this person? I mean, what are you gonna do about the baby?
There's more.
What is it? Betty, I still love you. So what do you want to do?
Hank, it's your dad's.
What? What? It's what? No, wait. That in my dad's? Okay, I get it.
We need a thumbnail.
Okay.
We need a thumbnail. We need
You
a thumbnail.
thought I
Hold
was
on.
dead. So, my dad donated, and you had it in. A little weird, kind of flattering, but it's not
I don't
the
know.
end of the world, I guess.
Chill, Mel. Hold on, not right now.
Wait.
Not right now. We need to wait. We need to wait. We need to wait. We need to wait till we see the dad.
You slept with my perv dad?
We need to wait till we see the dad.
Oh. What? What? Why? Why would you do that?
Well, you had part of it right, sweetie. Well, we were missing you. And in order to preserve your memory, I wanted to have your kid. But since you weren't around and you didn't believe in freezing your... I had to get to the closest source. So it's kind of your fault.
What?
My fault?
What? It's his fault that you fucked his dad. That's crazy.
Wait, what? I don't even know where to begin on any of this. Can he even still have kids?
Well, apparently.
And you had to do it caveman way? What happened to science? Why couldn't you just use a petri dish?
Well, he insisted.
Well, he would. Oh, that goddamn pervert. Oh, I'm gonna kill him.
No, Hank, please calm down.
Dad? Dad.
Oh, son, what the heck? I was just...
Here. Okay, there we go.
coming to your celebration.
You slept with Betty?
Yeah, so what?
So what?
What? Dad, she's my girlfriend.
Okay, so what? I'm Dad. What's the big deal?
No, not this again. Dad, I told you, boundaries. Just because you're my father does not mean you can sleep with the women that I date.
You're making a big deal, son. My dad and me used to share everything.
Even Mom?
Possibly.
What? Yo, what the fuck?
Well, you got Betty pregnant.
She's pregnant. Wow, my boys can swim.
Oh, shut up, Dad. Why? Why did you do that?
Well, I thought you were dead.
Look, the gesture was sweet, but couldn't you have just used a petri dish?
Well, where's the fun in that?
It's not supposed to be fun. Mourning my death shouldn't be fun. I don't even know how you still get it up.
Son, I don't know what to tell you. It is what it is.
Yo, beat your dad up. Like, kill him, shoot him, do something, stab him. Push him over. He won't be able to get up.
I hate to suggest this, and it goes against everything I believe in, but can we abort?
No, Hank, I can't do that. You know I'm heavily religious.
Yo, then guess what? I'm gonna be a deadbeat.
I just felt our...
I'm gonna go out to get the milk.
I can get past the idea of you sleeping with my dad once, Betty.
What? How?
But raising my own brother?
Well, it wasn't just once. But thank you, Hank. That was very sweet of you.
You mean it was more than once?
It was a few times. He
Oh.
wanted to make sure that I was pregnant.
But why? He's so old.
More than a few times. Jesus
I
Christ.
know, Hank. I don't even want to think about it.
What about the baby?
We can raise it together.
Fuck
We can
no.
move past this.
Hell no.
Give this? I'll try. I will try my hardest.
How, bro? I'm just saying, it would have been like this. Shoot the dad, shoot the wife, shoot yourself. That's literally the only way you can ever move past this. And I'm being 100% serious. Shoot the wife, shoot the dad, shoot yourself.
There's one more thing.
Like, bro, no. You can never move past that.
What is it?
We got married in Vegas.
What? Why? What?
Well, I couldn't just do it with your dad. I had to be a little bit drunk.
Oh.
And he couldn't have a baby without being married. And it's against his religion as well.
Oh,
Whoa.
my
What about mom?
God.
He said it doesn't count. Different state and all.
So I'm raising my brother and uncle?
Only on paper. It doesn't mean anything.
That means everything.
Hank ended up marrying Betty. the
What?
love of his life in the state of California.
Bro,
he was
he's an
able
idiot.
to look past her numerous
Oh,
mistakes
yeah,
with
whatever,
his
bro.
dad and forgave her. Betty ended up having their baby, and Hank raised it like his own child, which was technically his younger brother and uncle.
Hey,
Yeah.
I truly hope you enjoyed that video.
Enjoy?
It's not cool having your dad get your girlfriend pregnant. but
Yeah, so why did you make it sound like it was cool and it was perfectly fine and that he shouldn't be mad? Why did you make it sound like he shouldn't be mad at all? Why did you not make it more realistic?